Hi, this is Sonakshi Sinha.
Hi, this is Saqib Salim.
And you're listening to us on Radio Chutney with RJ Himani.
That is so fantastic. Her focus is
beautiful. Bang on.
Mm-hmm.
I'm like,
we'll manage, we'll manage.
It's okay, you can cover Saqib, it's okay.
Okay.
Hey, I just got back from Singapore.
Oh, you did?
Oh, I was there on my birthday, in fact.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
In April.
Oh, you should have called me. We could have gone for coffee.
I didn't know you then, yaar.
Yeah, I didn't know you.
Oh my God.
Now I do. Now you
Yeah,
get to call
next time we
from
come.
Mera number le lo, please call me, and I would love to take you all out for some really nice
Done.
food. Sonakshi, have you ever ghosted anyone on a first date? After a first
Yeah,
date?
Sona, we want to know.
And for the newly minted bride, how can I not mention it again and again? Sonakshi, one thing about being married that you absolutely love.
I get to live with my best friend.
Let's dive in.
Think Aloud and Radio Chutney, you're tuned in with me, RJ Himani. And सबसे पहले, I know आप सब लोग इन 3 चेहरों में से एक खूबसूरत चेहरा देख रहे हो जिनको आप बधाइयां देना चाहते हो, तो congratulations.
You're welcome, guys. Stop it, यार. कितना congratulate करोगे मुझे? Thank you, यार. Thank you.
खूबसूरत चेहरा बोला साथ.
यही तो मौका दिया ZEE5 लोगों ने कि सवाल मत पूछना, ये मत करना, बट हमने बोला भाई बधाइयां तो हम देंगे, मतलब कुछ भी कर लो, 5 लो इंटरव्यू के.
Thank.
यार इन्होंने एक इंटरव्यू में बोला इतनी जोरों से मुझे शादी करनी और इन्होंने कर ली, तो डैम गुड, फैबुलस, फैंटास्टिक, कांग्रेचुलेशंस.
जो मैं बोलती हूँ वो मैं करती हूँ. Okay.
और जो मैं नहीं बोलती वो मैं definitely करती हूँ.
मैं definitely करती हूँ.
Correct. Firstly, we saw the trailer. Looks spooky, looks fun, looks like, I mean, I want to talk about how horror films or ghost films are becoming very different from the usual ghost films that we used to see. So, which is very interesting. Give us a gist, 30 seconds, mein, what is the film about for those of us who haven't seen the trailer? Anyone?
Okay, the film's about a cursed village. There's a curse in the village, and whoever doesn't open, every house has 2 doors. Whoever doesn't open the small door on Mangalwar 7:15 gets the curse and then dies in 13 days. So that's the curse that the village is going through. And in that, there are these 2 characters, Sunny and Indra, who happen to be lovers, who get married, and how their life gets intertwined with this curse makes Ritesh's character Victor come into fore, and he helps them in solving this mystery. Told in a very fun, spooky, really, really zany way with tons of fun characters. There are lots of actors. There's Sonakshi Sinha, there's Ritesh Deshmukh, there's Saqib Salim, there's Asif Khan. It's directed by Aditya Sarpotdar, who just made Munjia. So yes, it ticks all the boxes of a horror comedy genre. And it's a very, very exciting film, and we can't wait for people to watch it on the 12th of July. What a plug!
घर चलते guys, चलो.
हाँ, मैं यही सोचती थी आंसर हो गए, सवाल ही खत्म हो गए, कुछ बचा ही नहीं.
अब और क्या बोलना, बस हो ही गया.
Thank you, Saqib. Sonakshi, you want to give us a glimpse into your character, what it actually does? It suddenly comes in to break the superstition.
Yeah, I think she's a girl next door who doesn't believe in superstitions, and when she does get thrown into this situation, she has no choice really. And they're a young couple who've just gotten married, and she'll go to any lengths to save her husband. And she's a girl next door as well. So for me to get back into that was a refreshing change from all the heavy roles that I've been doing lately.
Bike चला के थक गई थी.
So it was fun. And the premise is such, I don't really watch horror films क्योंकि मुझे रात को नींद नहीं आती.
But अभी आंसर मत करना, इसके लिए मैंने अलग एक फॉर्मेट बनाया आपके लिए.
Okay. तो मैं घर जाऊं?
नहीं, आप बैठे रहो. अब हम ये करेंगे कि क्योंकि आप 13 दिनों में वो दरवाजा खुलता है या 13 दिनों में वो दरवाजा खोलना है, हमने आपके लिए 13 सवाल प्रिपेयर किया है. बट उन 13 सवालों के जवाब आपको देने हैं 1 वर्ड या 1 लाइन में, लंबे आंसर नहीं पढ़ा. ठीक है? We start with Sonakshi, you were answering the question and writing. So, do you believe in ghosts?
No.
Not at all.
No.
Saqib?
No. No.
Have you ever had a supernatural encounter? Weird.
No.
cute village somewhere?
No. मैंने लोगों को डराने की कोशिश की है, but मेरे साथ कभी
हुआ नहीं है. Okay. How many days did you shoot the film in Saqib?
42, I think.
Yeah,
I don't know the exact number, but around about these many.
around that much. Yeah.
Sonakshi, have you ever ghosted anyone on a first date? After a first
Yeah,
date?
Sona, we want to know.
No, I'm not like that. I'm a nice
Usually
person.
second date pe na. First date.
Correct. Second date after the first.
No, I'm not a ghoster. I'm good at communication.
Oh, okay.
Saqib, has anyone ghosted you ever?
Nahi yaar, nobody's been that unkind to me in life. No.
How lovable you guys are, yeah?
I agree with you. Himani. Look at us.
I know. Wow. Okay. To anyone who might be wanting to watch the film but thinks, nah, ghost film, I'm not interested, I'm going to skip this. What would you say?
If
Don't
I can
skip
do
it,
this
man.
film,
Give
you
it a
can
chance.
definitely watch it.
Give it a chance. You'll have a great time, buddy.
Yeah,
Don't
it's
skip things
a
without
fun
watching
film.
them. Yeah.
Right. Okay. Saqib, I want to ask you and also then Sona, superstitious beliefs. Which one do you think that as humans or as Indians we follow, and which one is the worst superstition one needs to get rid of?
So
Like I've
many we
been
follow.
told, cricketers have a lot of superstitions. So when I was younger and I used to play cricket, I had some weird superstitions. Like I would keep my right foot on the ground first and then the left foot. And whenever I would not do it, I would get out early. So I had superstitions like that. I don't know if I should say it, it's in an interview, but I don't care. I also, while playing cricket, I had a favorite underwear. So I would only wear that on my match days. It was weird. You had this weird. I had these weird superstitions when I was playing cricket, but I don't think anymore now.
Okay.
I think I run away from superstition. As soon as I see superstition somewhere, I'm like, "Ye kya bakwas?"
No, I think we as Indians, we've been just brought up with like listening to so many of these passed down from generation to generation. Like, काली बिल्ली रास्ता नहीं काटना चाहिए. And I used to always be like, वो बेचारी बिल्ली की क्या गलती है, उसका रंग काला है. You know, and मतलब चिपकली गिर गई आप पे तो good luck. I was like, that can never be good luck for anyone.
No,
So,
they say na, if a bird like poops on your head,
yeah,
it's good luck.
that
I'm
is
like,
good
it's
luck.
poop. How can
I
it be
think
good
some
luck?
of the things we just make to make ourselves feel better
Correct.
about the
I agree.
situation. So I've always kind of grown up questioning these things.
True. If there's one ghost, Saqib, or spirit that you may want to connect with, who would it be?
Nobody. I would connect with humans more. I feel like it's important to connect with people who are alive rather than people who have gone. They've gone now. We should let them go, and we should let them be happy. हम अपने जो बचे हैं उनसे दोस्ती वापस बना लेते हैं, if at all relationship are strained. But जो चला गया जाने वाले को कौन रोक सकता है, मैम?
Nice, yeah, nice one. Sona, you have anyone?
I would not want to connect with anyone.
Anyone ever
Yes,
played
right? वो पुरानी पिक्चरों में दिखाते थे, अगर आप भूत को वापस बुला लो तो उसकी शक्ल आधी वाधी होती थी यार. So why do you want to risk it, यार? Why do you want to risk it?
Yeah.
Okay. So you all have never played the game of inviting spirits, वो जो सारा तामझाम होता है.
बचपन में
सिर्फ क्रिकेट
खेलते थे. हाँ, नहीं वो खेलते थे, but like of course we didn't know what we were doing and कुछ होता नहीं था, तो वो एक बोर्ड आता है ना, उसमें से it's like it's moving and all, तो हम खुद ही उसको मूव करते थे. हम ही क्वेश्चन पूछते थे.
You were the ghost, so na. You were the ghost.
Yeah.
You were the ghost.
And used to think we're being damn smart and sly about it, and nobody will find out that we are moving it. Or so yeah, it was funny. Yeah.
What's the one thing, Sonakshi, I want to ask you about OTT, especially because it's not often that we see you on OTT platforms, and now there's this boom of content, and Z5 Global is churning out some fantastic films and series week after week, I think. So what's the one thing about OTT platforms that you absolutely love?
The reach that it has. I mean, we're reaching out to a global audience and releasing in so many different countries, in so many different languages, and like for an actor, that's amazing, right? That many more people get to see your work and see the film that you've worked so hard to make, and for an entire team that is involved with making a film, we want more people to see our films. So I think it's great that we have such a global reach.
Superb. Saqib, we've loved watching you always with whatever work that you have given us. What about you? You love OTT or you want like, no, I need that screen?
नहीं, मैं तो I'm a greedy actor, yeah. Give me any platform, any medium. My job is to act and be honest and true to what's been offered to me. Where it goes, how it releases is something that the producer needs to take a call on. I come on a project without thinking where it needs to go. I come on a project saying I need to do a good job of the opportunity I've gotten. So I see it like that. I see when you were growing up, to be honest, जब मैं छोटा बच्चा था, तब वो जब 70 mm के पर्दे पे देखता था, तब वही करना था. But now with time, content has also evolved. Now there are newer avenues. And I'm very accepting of all avenues. I feel like as an actor, I shouldn't differentiate or look at something differently. कि वो OTT पे है या थिएटर्स में, मुझे मेरा काम ईमानदारी और अच्छाई से करना.
Nice, very nice. Finally, before I ask the final question, why should people watch Kakuda in one line?
Oh, because it has Sinha guy.
For a whole lot of entertainment.
Entertainment और horror, comedy और entertainment. सब कुछ है.
And
yeah, it's good fun.
And for the newly minted bride, how can I not mention it again and again? Sonakshi, one thing about being married that you absolutely love.
I get to live with my best friend.
He's my best friend, yeah.
Yeah.
And also,
I'm
I
loving
think
it.
another very good thing is that the paps don't follow you or, like ghosts to know what's going on in your private life anymore. They
I'll tell you why.
Now.
Because Sonakshi doesn't call them to come.
I know how to avoid them. When I don't want to be seen, I know how to avoid them very well.
Fantastic. But no, we are so happy for you. Your wedding pictures were beautiful.
Thank you so much.
It was beautiful. The vows you guys took were beautiful. And I think this is just like divine timing that I get to talk to you almost a week after your wedding. So which is
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Lovely. Thank you guys. Thank you, Saqib.
Bye, Baba. Bye,
Thank you, Himani.